How to fix automatic repair loop and startup repair in your Windows. Hello everyone, let's get started. If you are experiencing an automatic repair loop or startup issue, here is a step-by-step guide. First of all, perform a hard restart. Press and hold the power button on your computer until it shuts down completely. Wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again to turn on. Then after, boot into safe mode. As the computer starts up, repeatedly press in Shift plus F8 until you see a Advanced Boot Options menu. Then after, select Safe Mode from the list of options and press Enter. Once this is done, you have another option which is Run System File Checker, which is as SFC. For this, you have to press Windows plus X on the keyboard to open the Power User menu. Then you have to select for Command Prompt Return as Admin or Terminal Return as Admin to open an elevated command prompt. In the command prompt, the first command would be sfc/scan now. Wait for the system file checker to scan and repair any corrected system files. To move on in the same command prompt, type in or press in disk online cleanup image. Similarly, we have to now type in or press in the command chkdsk/f/r. This will prompt you to schedule a disk check for the next restart. Type Y and then press enter. Restart your computer and let the check scan and repair any issues in your hard drive. Moving on with the solutions, check for the Windows update. For that, you have to go to Update and Security in your settings and then tap on Check for updates. Lastly, you need to perform a system restore. For this, go to System, tap on Restore and you have the option of Reset and Repair. Tap on it and you are good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.